In winter, most people prefer to stay home and not make an effort during the winter. Sheffield Academy has a different meaning of winter. Young learners become explorers as they step out of their comfort zone. Winter camp encourages them to discover new passion and talents through hands-on learning and exploring new experiences away from their home. The camp aims to achieve the same goals of summer camp, promoting social skills and developing positive principles in young people in a safe, dynamic, and interesting environment. The intensive General English Language program is an ideal choice for the winter camp, designed to achieve quick and deep results. The winter camp lasts for 4 weeks, 6 hours per weekday, among exciting, various activities and adventures. Throughout real context of life situations, young learners will be able to improve their listening, writing, speaking, and reading language skills. The winter camp focuses on breaking out of the rules by boosting self-confidence, developing personal skills, and gaining further learning. Young learners usually participate in some form of smart games, puzzles, and pleasant activities which develop their intelligence skills, positive interactions, and active participation. Join us at winter camp for an all-comprehensive learning experience where young learners can learn and have fun.